Now, this illustration deals with ungrounded systems supplied by a separately derived system without overcurrent protection in accordance with 250.32C2B. Now, notice everything is the same in this illustration. Your callouts are the same, except we have an overcurrent protection device on the secondary side of this transformer, ungrounded transformer still on the secondary. But there's no overcurrent device in accordance with 250.32C2B. So the chassis ground in this case now would be sized from table 250.102C1 that you see at the left of the illustration, looking at the building there below the panel board. So table 250.102C1, if the conductors were 4/0, then it would be increased to number 2 there to serve as the chassis ground required by 250.32C2B. Now, once again, the note is talking about a supply side bonding jumper is connected to the building or structure disconnecting means as required by 250.32C2B. Now, once again, every time I don't call your attention to this, but always review your figure loop if you feel like you need more information or you just want to have more knowledge pertaining to such an installation. See figures 1657, 1658, 1660 in Volume 2 of Stallcup's design book. And you could get information also pertaining to an overcurrent device or no overcurrent device located at the transformer secondary in accordance with your figure 9-46D in Volume 1 of Stallcup's design book. So this figure 16-61 is illustrating where there's not an overcurrent device ahead of the conductors from the secondary side of that transformer to the building when the transformer is ungrounded and you're selecting the size of the chassis ground from table 250.102C1 based upon no overcurrent device ahead of the conductors from the secondary to the main in the building.